Hi everybody, so I know it's been quite a while since I did a video. I think it's been a few weeks. It was when I last got the Baby Yoda palette. But today I'm going to be showing you guys the Colored Rain Winter Mystery Box. I already opened it and peeked because I couldn't wait anymore. I was really excited to see it. If you see me looking that way, that's because that's where my mirror is. So until I get this whole filming thing situated, I might be looking to the side. What you guys are actually here for, the Colored Rain mystery box. It came in this pretty basic white box. So this one cost me $20 plus $5 for shipping. It was either $4.95 or $5.95. All in all, it was about $25 for $70 worth of products. So I'm gonna just start taking everything out and I'm gonna show you guys. So the first thing I see in here are these two little makeup sponges. They are Colored Rain Flawless Perfecting Sponges. So I looked at the box earlier today because I was excited, but I did not swatch or actually really touch any of the products. I just opened to see what was in it because I was excited. So these sponges, aw, they have names. That's cute. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. Tangerraine and Apple Rain. That's adorable. So it looks like there's an orange and a green one. Those are cute. I'm gonna only open one of these to kind of see what they feel like, but even through the bag, I can tell that these are super soft. I'm gonna open the green one. Sorry guys. Because I feel like every brand has orange ones. I've never had a green one. I'm excited. It's called Apple Rain. That is so cute. It says to wash before use. Ooh, I don't know if you can see, but this is like a microfiber sponge. It does have the name on there and it's very squishy. Like this is super soft. I've gotten some that are tougher and more dense. This feels really nice. I don't have any water near me or I would show you how it blows up, but this is, it's in the hallway. Pause. Also sent me two other sponges, which I watched an unboxing before I got my box because I am terrible with surprises. I love mystery box and I love surprises, but I also want to know what I'm going to get as soon as possible because I'm so anxious. So I'm not going to open this up, but it's a little gift box. This is so cute. And two flawless sponge cleaner things. That's worth it alone because beauty blenders are $20 a piece and even the Real Technique ones are $6. So I don't know how much Colored Rain's sponges sell for, but you get 4 super nice sponges. These ones, I am going to open them actually. Came in this little gift box and they look like a Christmas edition. They are marbled red and green. Like I didn't think we'd be getting, I guess it makes sense, the winter mystery box, but I didn't think we'd be getting like Christmas stuff because I thought it was going to be all the clearance things. Like look at those. Those are so cute. And then you also get 2 sponge cleaners. They look like this. I think it's just a soap in here. So I don't want to open this because I don't want to use it yet. And you get this cute little box. Count how many times I say cute. So it says Colored Rain and it came with those sponges. Next thing I'm pulling out is, I actually don't know what this is. A focal point glow lighter, a fashion show pressed highlighter in the shade, I don't know how you see it. Maybe, oh, fashion show is the shade. So it comes in this nice carton. The package is really pretty. So I'm gonna open this. I did open this, but I did not swatch it. So you open it up. The color is on the back. It is called Fashion Show. And it's a focal point glow light. It comes with this nice mirror. Looks like, I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys now. I'm trying to think how people do these swatches. Ooh. Hopefully you can see that. It's like a almost like a champagne, but it almost looks like a pinky gold duo shift. I will definitely be using this. I'm happy I got one that wasn't too dark because some highlighters leave cast on my face because I'm very pale. The Colored Rain times Power highlighter and blush duo. It looks like this. Here's the back. And this one, you actually just push it through the package and then you get this blush highlighter palette. I got the shade My Day One. And here, we'll open it together. So it comes with this protective screen that just tried to fall out. And I guess it's like a berry shade with a bronzy blush. I might use this as eyeshadow. I don't know if I can get away with using this as an actual blush. It's a little dark for me. Kind of funny that it matches my outfit. Do you see? Wow. I'm gonna do that blush again. Wow, those are pretty. Like I said, I don't think I can use that as a blush. This is not good for my skin tone, but I might be able to get away. I can definitely get away with using it as eyeshadow. And I might be able to use this bronzy color as a blush, because sometimes I like shimmery blushes. I'll give it a shot. If you want to see a video of me actually using some of these products, let me know and I can do that. I have my makeup done today, so I don't plan on doing it today. Also came with 3 eyeshadow flashing lights. Oh, flashing lights is the shade. So it came with these eyeshadows. So here, this one is called Empress. It's like a warm brown. No, it's kind of more of an orange. I'll swatch these as well. Flashing Lights is a silver glittery. It looks like this was pressed a little bit. Maybe it got smashed in the mail, but it'll still work. And the last one I got is Unexpected. It looks like a teal. So I'm gonna open these up. I love this packaging. They are, like, already I can tell there was a lot of money put into this box. I have this generic palette with some other brands of shadows. I'll just throw these in here. They come in these little cartons, typical for single shadows. I didn't think it was actually going to be like winter themed. I thought it was going to be just like a winter mystery box that happens in the winter but doesn't really have anything to do with winter. This is actually like, I don't know, I feel like these are Christmassy colors. So this one's called Unexpected, and that's how it swatches. I swatched it once before, but I messed up the name, so I just wanted to do it again. It's a really nice, like a teal green color with, it almost has a silver tone to it. Like it's a silvery, I love that. The next color I'm going to swatch is Empress. This is what I accidentally called the green one. It's a, almost like a pumpkin-y orange. It looks like this on the finger, and swatching. Ooh, these shadows swatch so nicely. Like I don't have any primer on my hands. The shadows, the blush, the highlighter, which I'm a mess, but I'm gonna go get that first highlighter I had, the focal point highlighter. I'm gonna swatch it at the beginning of my arm, so then at the end we can see everything. I think that'll be better. So remember this guy? Yeah. So I'm taking on my pinky and I'm just gonna put it right here. Wow. This is a perfect Christmas box. Like, I really did not expect this. I thought I was gonna get random nudes and just shades nobody really wanted. This is actually, it looks like they tried to give you Christmassy things for the holidays. That is so cute. So the last one I have is called Flashing Lights. This one did look like it was a little damaged, like just like something heavy got set on the packaging and it started pressing into the shadow, but that doesn't bother me. So there's the swatch. And on my arm, ooh, that is a really pretty silver. These are probably some of the best shadows I've swatched ever. They're so smooth. The ones I got from Colored Rain in this palette are underneath my Colourpop ones. The green one is called Unexpected, followed by Empress in the middle and Flashing Lights on the end. So these are the last few items. It looks like I got 4 liquid glitter toppers and 1 matte classic lipstick. So the lipstick comes in this packaging. I got the shade Implicated. This says it's from Power. Apparently that's a TV show. It says Power Stars, Power TV. Must have been a collab with a show on Stars. Yeah, because these all say Power. Ooh, look at that. That is pretty. Do you see all the roses? Here, I'll turn it the right way. So it looks like that. It's called Implicated. So this is, ooh, a nice mauve color. I'm just going to swatch this right next to the silver. Wow, that even swatched nicely. I'm going to have to buy some stuff from Colored Rain. I've decided, because all of these look so pigmented and nice. So yeah, this lipstick, I would try it on, but I already have something on. It's kind of funny. It looks very similar to what I'm wearing. I am so excited to see these glitter toppers. I'm not going to show you all the packages because they're all the same, but I'll show you one, or I'll just show you them at once. So these are the shades I got. Got the shades Conspiracy, Rico, Connect, and Indictment. I wonder if this is like a crime show or something. I think I might have heard of it. Again, all the packages have the same roses in the black background, and it looks so nice. So I'm going to open up Conspiracy first. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's a blue, like holographic glitter. I'm going to swatch these on my hand. So I don't know if they're going to, sometimes glitters you kind of have to work with. So let me, there's a lot of liquid in here. So it's not, maybe I need to shake it. So that's what that one looks like. I wonder if this would work as like a lip gloss. So it's a topper. The glitter is a little sparse, but also that was the first dip. So I think you'd have to mess around with it, and I think that would be beautiful for an inner corner. So I'm excited. I know sorry if my energy is too much for you guys, but I really was disappointed with the mystery boxes I got from other brands, because I just got basic eye brushes, a few nude shades, and some like gold shimmer shades. And it's so nice to see a brand giving like different colors. Like these are so pretty. Look at this one. This one is called Connect. It's a gold. They all have like holographic colors in them. I don't know if you can see that. I'll show you them all in a second together. So pretty. And the same rose pattern. Oh, so this one already has a lot more on the brush than the blue. So it looks like if you apply these, you want to apply them and not spread them around first, or it just spreads out the glitter too much. So that's the goldy one. These look very reflective. Let's see what we have next. I hope we get a green or a red. This one's Rico. Ooh, a silver. I didn't even think of silver. So there is a lot of liquid in these. So you can see it looks like the glitter's starting to separate, which, I mean, you just shake them up. And I'm super excited to get these because glitter toppers are kind of expensive, honestly. Even the cheapest ones are $5. I get 4 in this box. I'm gonna put this on. Right. So I don't know if you can see it right next to the gold. When they shift, they all kind of have the same, like almost the same glitter shift to them. They all have silver in them, but these are pretty. Look, the last one is Indictment. I'm hoping this is a red. Indictment sounds like it should be red. Let's hope red. Ooh, purple. Okay, I'm okay with this. Look, it's a deep purple. That is so pretty. It has blue, gold, maybe a little bit of green in it. So I'm going to put it right here. Okay, and again, these are more of a sparse glitter. It looks like they can definitely be built up if you keep applying layers, waiting for them to dry and applying more. But it's a topper. Look how pretty. Like, and picture that on a purple shadow. So pretty. All of them together. Hopefully you can see the shifts. Those are stunning. I'm so excited to try these. So that's everything in this box. So in the end, I got 4 glitter toppers, 3 pressed shadows, 4 beauty sponges, not sponges, 1 lipstick bullet, a highlighter blush duo, and a highlighter. 14 products plus the 2 brush cleaner things and the box. So this is a really good deal. If you can find this, even if you have to pay the $5 shipping, I 100% recommend it. Now, look at these swatches. I'm going to go pull them up a little closer. Look. So this was the lipstick. These were the 3 pressed shadows. I swatched this one twice. This was the blush and highlighter duo, and then this was the Focal Lights highlighter. I don't know if you're considering buying this mystery box, but if you are, this is your sign to do it because it is not a waste of money and you get a lot of good products. I'm super excited to try these. If you guys want to see me actually try out some of these products on my face and do them in a full look, I can do that. Just comment down below and I'd definitely be willing to do that. So have a good day and follow me on my other social medias. It's Sparkling Jules 7 on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. And as always, I hope you have a good day and thank you for watching.